I'm at the party. He's in Canada. It's on Wall Street. I'll be in New York. She's on the second floor. Who's on the phone? I'm waiting for you at the bus stop. She is studying in the library. I'm on the bus right now. I stayed at home yesterday. I moved to Paris in 2020. The movie starts at 10 a.m. I was born on May 7th. I don't work on Sundays. I go skiing in winter. You have to sleep at night. The party is on Friday night. I usually run in the morning. We'll get there in 5 minutes. I eat salad every day at lunch. How many correct answers do you have? Comment down below.
Thanks for the watch?
Have a good day.